So y'all, today we're gonna be doing a repair on this shingle right here. As you can see, it's got a crease on it. If you look at it, there's no creasing or anything going on with the above shingles. But pretty straightforward. I'm not gonna bore y'all. Take up too much time than we need. Go ahead and get this repair taken care of real quick. Right. Alrighty. So I'm gonna come up here. We're gonna locate those nails. Here, we don't want to lift it up too high. We just want to lift it up high enough to where we can find those nails. Right. That's so crazy. It's very brittle. These nails aren't wanting to participate that much or cooperate too much. But that's all right. Those out. Come up here, get that out. Right here. Get this one. That's funny though. Alright, so we got one more nail somewhere. Oh, there we go. Alrighty. Cool, so now we got this shingle out. You can already see where some creasing is going on. Let's just get this. Come over here. That's fine. I ain't talking to them people in years, man. Everybody was just talking about
yeah.
for a long time. It's been long.
What's this, 2018? Yeah.
Probably, bro. Man, how long?
18, 19, 20.
I remember.
6, 7 years old?
Ain't that crazy?
10-year reunion coming up soon?
I ain't going.
Yeah.
I thought it was like a 20-year reunion thing that everybody does.
I think you're right.
Or is it 20?
I think it is 20.
I'm at already 10. It's gotta be 20. It's gotta be 20. Because 10, that's still
People probably still in school.
trying to figure out what they doing. Luckily for, but very good for him, man. I'm proud of him. I'm happy for him.
It's gonna be a nice wedding, I'll tell you that.
Where's it at?
The Quail Lodge in Lake Park.
In Lake Park?
It's a nice wooden cabin place.
Ooh, I don't know if I can go actually. Matter of fact.
Oh yeah.
Let me not go to that. That is not gonna end up good. It's gonna be a show for sure. I'll tell you that much. You want a show out though, but ooh-wee.
I just remembered why.
It doesn't even cross my mind.
Yeah, not even when you said it earlier.
Yeah. I'm just like, yeah, okay. Sounds fun. What? You want to talk about it? You want to talk about something crazy?
I just noticed that your roof snake has a slit. You can put the head of them. Yeah, I didn't know that.
All right, sweet. So, we are done with this repair. Let me figure out where I put that chalk at. Sorry, y'all. I ain't trying to ruin Ashton's day like that. Unless she ain't invited. If she ain't invited, no. Let me see the phone. All right, so. Okay, so you can see this shingle right here has some creasing. That shingle right there. That shingle right there. But you can see right here, all that creasing. That was pretty evident. This one right here, you can see the creasing. If I just go like that, you'll see exactly where it's at. Right here, again, just gently rub my finger on that, and I mean those creases are showing. I was just basically pushing on the granules that are already knocked off. Yeah, y'all. Hold that out. So, in the process of doing this repairing this shingle, that one got damaged. That one got damaged, and that one got damaged. I can't remember. I don't know if any got. No, none of them were everything. But we did try to we did do it, you know, with the right tools, techniques. I was trying to be as gentle as I possibly could with this. There's just no way that we can do a proper repair without causing additional damage. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your day.
Show the other damage right there with the X.
Huh?
Oh, we're going to send a picture?